former American serviceman now living in Oxfordshire has set off on a 4,000-mile bike ride which will take him across America. Tom von Kaenal left RAF Brize Norton for the mission this morning, hoping to raise millions of pounds for charity. He was inspired to take on the challenge after meeting injured US soldiers at a hospital. Jeremy Stern reports.
It was 1 mile down, 4,084 to go for Tom von Kaenal. Today he left Carterton on his way to Heathrow Airport. Tom's then riding west to east across America, starting in Seattle and taking in 13 states. 60 miles nearly every day for 10 weeks, finishing on the 4th of July in Washington.
The challenges are going to be the changes in the weather. It's going to be going over the Rockies, going over the Appalachians. It's going to be going through the Midwest in the middle of June, where the temperature is 35 to 40 degrees, and we are going through Tornado Alley.
Jason Kamiga.
This morning, American and British servicemen who died in combat were remembered.
Oxford.
Tom was inspired after meeting injured soldiers in a hospital after he suffered a near-fatal cycling accident in the Pyrenees in 2009.
I saw the heroic efforts of those people trying to get them back on their feet, and tragically some that could not do it, and they ultimately paid the highest price. So it was a very humbling, honourable experience for me.
Tom, who lives near Whitney, wants to raise £5 million for dozens of charities, including the Veterans Charity, which provides for ex-soldiers.
Unbelievable. It's very typical of the attitude and the determination of those who serve. And when Tom told me what he was doing today and asked me if I'd like to join him and cycle a bit, I jumped at the chance because it's so fitting being here at Brize Norton.
Tom spent 20 years in the US Army, but says this will be the biggest adventure of his life. Jeremy Stern, BBC Oxford News.